So determine the sum of the first 6 terms. You have some options here. Because it's only 6 terms and they tell you all 6 terms, you could just add them up. You could go 25 plus 14 plus 3 plus negative 8 plus negative 19 plus negative 30 and add them up. That wouldn't be too hard. You could also use one of our formulas. So if we were using this formula, because we do know term 6, which is the last term if we're finding 6 terms. The last one would be term 6. Since we do know that and we know that there's 6 terms, the sum of the first 6 terms, well, there's 6 terms. Term 1 is 25. The last term, which is the 6th one, is negative 30. Divide by 2. Negative 5 times 6, negative 30 divided by 2 is negative 15. So we could use that formula to figure it out. We could have just added it up. We could also use the other formula if we want, because we know the first term and we know that we're going down by 9. Is it 9? No, going down by 11 each time. So if we used our other formula, we have 6 terms. Term 1 is still 25. We're going down by 11. And here you'd have 6 times 50 minus 55, divide by 2, and you get negative 15 that way as well. So either formula will work, or adding them up. Some formulas will be nicer in different situations than others, and so you can decide when you look at it. Once you've done some practice, you'll start to see, oh, this formula is nicer. If you're unsure which formula is nicer, try using both. Try to find out when does one formula work well and when does one not work well. And that's really going to help you. So for this one, from your homework, you can do question number 4. And we're going to do example 2 together, and then I'll give you some time to work on those